learning. Remember that we still have DP ahead of us. Big challenges are waiting. I would like to talk about one of the 10 IP learner profiles, which is risk-taker. Dealing with challenges is strongly associated with bravery to take risks. We dealt with them for our entire lives. Learning to walk, riding a bicycle, and even asking someone to prom. And yes, I'm talking to you, Nashif. We should not perceive risks as some kind of monster to avoid, but more as a tool to succeed. I believe that all of you must have heard teachers telling you to take big risks in the DP, and this is true. We're entering unknown territories like CAS, QK, EE. We will make mistakes. There are no questions about that. In fact, we should make mistakes. We have to, in order for us to learn, in order for us to succeed. However, is that enough? Being a risk taker, being successful? I don't think so. All of those are individualistic. They are only for ourselves. As the saying goes, no man is an island. We can't live on our own. We forgot another very important part. Others. And this leads me to another learner profile that I'm going to talk about. Caring. Through caring, we can spread the successes we have earned to benefit others. We are not self-centered. Don't forget that we still have the society around us. This leads me to a quote said by Albert Einstein. Try not to become a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value. Mr. Einstein suggested us not to only take risks and become successful, but to go beyond that. To share our successes and to care for one another, which I believe will transform us to a man of value. Therefore, I am very blessed to be part of this entire community. Our principals, Iguana and Pasoki and Iburisa, are very successful in leading the school, which encourages us to be noble people of value. Please give them a warm round of applause. Now, at the end of our 5 years in the MYP, we have an opportunity. Now is our time to face new challenges, get out of our comfort zone, and reach the goals we have set for ourselves in the future, to reach our personal successes. The next 2 years will be entirely determined by us, all our hard work, all our efforts, the amount of hours we spent to study. We have been preparing for these final 2 years for like a decade or more. This is the moment. It is now all on you. So guys, don't let anyone get in your way of achieving your dreams. Sooner or later, however, there will be one or two dragging you down on your way to soaring for the skies. You might sometimes feel discouraged, depressed, thinking that you might not make it. But as Mother Teresa said, people are often unreasonable, irrational, and self-centered. Forgive them anyway. If you're kind, people may accuse you of selfish, ulterior motives. Be kind anyway. If you are successful, you will win some false friends and true enemies. Succeed anyway. If you're honest, people may deceive you. Be honest anyway. What you spend years building, someone can destroy overnight. Build anyway. If you find happiness, people may be jealous. Be happy anyway. The good you do today may be forgotten tomorrow, but do good anyway. Give the world the best you have, and it may never be enough. Give your best anyway. And the final analysis, it is between you and your God. It was never between you and them anyway. Thank you, and may God bless you all. Thank you.